Car inspectors presents major signs of brake problems in cars. No matter what kind of a vehicle it is, it's hard to even imagine driving it without sturdy and well-performing brakes. Therefore, brakes are the most essential part of any vehicle and they require timely maintenance. So is your car facing some troubles which possibly denote brake problems in the vehicle? Then you need to know the major signs of brake troubles in your car so that you can mitigate them in a timely manner and not face any undue breakdowns or mishaps, or accidents. Brake warning lights. If you view either the yellow, ABS, or the red brake indicators lighting up on your dashboard, this implies the need for an inspection. Unreasonable noises from the vehicle. When you hear grinding noises when the brakes are applied, these two could indicate a number of things. Soft brake pedal. If you experience some difference while applying brakes, such as it appears harder to apply or gets pressed down to the floor mat, this is the time when you need to get it fixed. Car pulling to one side when applying brakes. When the brake hose hits worn or when it's a caliper trouble, you could experience the car pulling itself to one side when the brakes are applied. These are some of the major signs that indicate a probable braking trouble in your car and need an expert to hand fix soon. And if you are in Los Angeles, you can contact Car Inspectors, which offers ASE certified professionals to inspect and repair your vehicle. You can contact us on 800-593-2239. Or you can visit our site. Or you can join us on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Thank you.